Today I'm going to show how to create a virtual environment in macOS. So in this folder, let's start by creating a new folder. New folder with name test underscore venv. Now we are going to open the terminal window in this folder. Okay, then let's check the directory. So we are in this directory, this test underscore environment. Now we are going to create the virtual environment in this directory. So command is virtual env, then the name of the virtual environment venv, and then we need to specify the Python version at -p Python 3. So the virtual environment and package we need to install first, and then by default in macOS you will able to see the Python 2.7, but we need to install Python 3. So I have already installed the Python 3 and I'm using the Python 3 here. So now let's check the folder. So now you can see there is a folder called venv. So virtual environment is created here. Now we are going to activate this virtual environment. So the command is source then virtual venv then bin/active. So now our virtual environment is activated. So now we can install any kind of package, Python packages here. Let's check the Python version here. Version. So you can see the Python version is 3.8. Let's install some Python package, like I'm going to install Django here. Python pip install Django. So now you can see pip is installing the Django. Now we can check the install packages from the virtual in this environment using pip freeze. So you can see the install packages here. Let's create a new requirement.txt file in this folder. Touch requirements.txt. Let's create the thing. I'm touch is not okay. Let's create a here again touch. And then now let's try to deactivate the file, deactivate the virtual environment. So to deactivate the virtual environment, we just need to write deactivate. Okay, So virtual memory is deactivated now. So let's again try to create a text file. Touch. So now you can see we have created a new text file, and let's again activate the virtual environment. Virtual environment bin / activate. And now we are going to write all the install package in this requirement.txt file. So the command you need to write here, pip freeze so this command will write the all install package in this requirement.txt file. Let's check the requirement.txt file. So I'm going to open this folder with VS Code, and you can see the all install file is imported here. So I think that's the conclusion for today's video.